Welcome to your Classlink tutorial. During onboarding week, one of the things you'll have to do is set students up for Classlink. When you open up a Chromebook, normally a student would have to sign in using their GAF account. Username. Did I type that correctly? Password. During onboarding week, the hope is to have students auto-launch directly to this screen. The moment they open up their Chromebook, they should be directed to exactly what is on this page. However, if that is not the process, just like we did right now, you will have to log in with their GAF account. When taken to the screen, students need to choose to sign in with Google. Because I already logged into the GAF account, the student is already signed in. Now I am in the Classlink Launchpad. This Launchpad gives you options to go into different applications. The one you will need to choose is to go into Google Apps for Education. In order to access apps for education or any other app for the first time, students will be asked to log in their credentials one more time. But this will only be done the first time. Once they've logged in once, they won't ever have to do it again. So again, I need my information. My password. And here I have access to all of the Google apps, but I want students to go into the classroom so that they may enter their access slide and get into your Zoom links. So here I have some classrooms that the student has already been a part of. However, this is the opportunity for you to add them to your Google Classroom. So you'll want to teach students to go to the plus sign and join a class. For this demo, I am using a student within our district, and I already have their class code, so I will enter it now. And join. She is now a part of the classroom. And when this teacher posts their access slide to her stream, she'll be able to get in there and join their meetings.